What's the meaning of burnish? Burnish. Burnish.
Burnish. Burnish. Burnish means to polish or shine a surface by rubbing it with a tool or a cloth. The result of burnishing is a smooth and glossy finish that enhances the appearance of the object. Burnishing is often used for metal objects such as coins, jewelry, and decorative items made of brass or copper. It can also be used on leather to create a shiny surface on shoes, belts, or bags. Alternatively, burnishing can be used in woodworking to create a smooth and polished surface on wooden objects such as furniture, musical instruments, and decorative carvings.